Hi, my name is Eric Jameson, and this is my portfolio I made for CECS 5110. Right now you can see that we're on the home page. You can see I've got my story. I've got a link to the multimedia educational technology statement that I wrote. If you click on the link, it'll take you to WordPress, that's where I created it just to save space. And you can see that I wrote all this. When you hit the backspace, they'll take you back to the main screen. It's got a brief overview of me and what I'm doing and everything. And then under the personal, it's telling you about myself and a little bit about my life. And then here is my professional statements. Scroll back over here, and this will be on all the pages. You've got my name, my yahoo.com web address, my phone number, and my address. I also have a picture of myself and my lovely fiance and our beautiful kids over here. Next, we're going to go to Project 1. Project 1 was a text-only instruction, so we could only use text. As you can see, I do have some links up here, but down here I've got the instruction set completely in text. I've got my reflection for Project 1. Most of these are going to be on WordPress just to save space. So you can see my Project 1 reflection there. And then I've got my blog post 1 and 2. The links work here and also here. Pardon my slow internet. Right here, I do have my text-based instruction set, which is a downloadable file, and it is a Word doc. We'll see if this comes up quickly or not. It is downloading, and my internet's not the fastest in the world. As you can see, it's downloading from a site at unt.edu. I'm not going to pull up my second. I'll just show you. Oh, here it is. It's got the complete textual only set. I'll close that out. And this is the same. It is a Word doc. I won't open that one just to save time. Now we're going to go to Project 2, which was visual only. Here you can see I've got my reflection. That link works. And blog number 3. And 4. You can see that these all work, and they're all on WordPress. This is my full PDF project. Before I go into this, I'll show you I have embedded this into the web page. Visual only was a very, very tough assignment for me just because I had a recipe and some specific ingredients were very hard to get across. But you can tell, as in my ingredient list here, you have Greek flag, you have some seasoning, and then that's the end result, which was it's Greek seasoning. Then you had Montreal steak seasoning, and things of that nature. You click on the PDF project link, it brings you to the actual full-size PDF that I have linked to that. This visual only design document is another Word doc. I won't open that just because of time. Next, Project 3. This would be the visual textual only instruction. Once again, I have my reflections and blogs. There's blog post number 5. Instructional sets and the use of multiple media. Number 6, which is visual and text only instruction combined blog. My visual text only instruction set, I do have this embedded on this page. So I was able to add the text, as you can see, and I was using the same images as the visual only, but I was able to actually combine these so you can get a better sense of what everything is. I was actually able to write McCormick's Montreal Seasoning, that is the color of the bottle. And I got my utensils and all the instructions and the directions to make the recipes. But my visual text only instruction set, I do have that linked here. It's another PDF that's linked direct. Had to create all these images from the visual using Adobe Photoshop from an actual photo that I found. Once again, the visual text only design document, it is a Word doc, so I won't open that completely. It takes forever. Project 4. This was the audio only instruction set. So this was kind of fun. I got to use Adobe Audition and learn about that. This is my reflection for Project 4. There's blog post number 7, which was audio only instruction. This is my instruction set, which was a PDF document that I embedded sound on. So I'll play this and just on a couple of them just to show that I was able to embed that. Until it's working right now.
Macaroni salad and barbecue.
Turn that up for you.
And we'll go through step-by-step instructions that will ensure
There's pause there. Let's do this one. And so on and so forth. And I've got it. I had to create a script for this, and I read off the script along with the text. This is also the design document. It is also a Word doc. I've also embedded the audio and the script. Here's the script. I typed all that out. I'll play a couple of these to show you how that works. You'll be using QuickTime Player with this. Once again, I apologize about the internet connection and speed. You can see that works. That was the intro. We'll break down here into intro into the directions. You're able to listen to the audio for each of those separately from the script that I wrote. And that's the audio only portion, which was Project 4. Project 5, which was interesting. It was textual, visual, audio only. As you can see, it kind of looks like I've got a blank PDF down here, which was actually a Swift file. But I'll go back up here to, this is my reflection on WordPress.com. My Project 5 reflection. Here's my design document. This is an interactive PDF that I had to create. As you can tell, if I click on this, it'll change all the text down here and will explain exactly what each of these are for. And my instructional set, which is the same thing as down here, Actually, I'll go ahead and show you this down here. But if you click on each of these, this is an interactive PDF I've converted to a Swift. You can see it takes you to each of the different components of my instruction. And each of these has audio in these, so I'll just play one here for you. I'll take you here to the actual PDF, interactive PDF that I created. And it does the same exact thing. Goes to the macaroni salad. Here, I'll make this smaller so you can see. Burger intro, burger ingredients, utensils, and this also works. And I did create this so you could have a pop-up window. You have to play this one manually. Directions for the macaroni salads, burger, and closing. As you just back out of this. Here are my blog posts. Got blog number 8, multimedia use, and 9. Blog post number 9, which is audio, textual, visual instruction blog. So that is project 5, which I created a textual, visual, audio only instruction set using interactive PDF. Project 6 was very fun. I had to create video. This was video only instruction. I have my mashup. These are, as you can tell, these are on YouTube. But first I'll do my blog post. My video only instruction blog post. And the initial that I did was this mashup, just to kind of show that I knew what was going on with it. I really kind of like it, but there's a little segment of that. I don't know if you all can hear that. That one's called the Cartoon Zombie. And this is my actual video project. Just a little clip of it I'll show. A little bit of my favorite part here. Anyway, that's a little bit of video only instruction that I created. That was probably one of the most fun that I had to do in this class. Now on to project 7, the final project, which was multimedia instruction. Here's my reflection for project 7. And then my design document, which is a Word doc, but I won't open that since it takes forever. My 11th blog post, my journey in using multimedia versus single-use media. And blog post number 12, what I have learned about designing instruction. On this, I created an overview. Pardon me, my browser's freezing up. a brief overview of the full instruction. This is another interactive PDF. I actually embedded a PDF instead of switching it to a Swift file. As you can tell, you can click on these and it'll take you to the different instructions that you need to complete the recipes. The difference is between this and the audio textual audio is that I've added video. So I'm going to click on this. I don't know how long this will take, but bear with me here. It might take a few seconds here. Once again, I apologize for the speed of my computer and my internet.
You will be given the opportunity to make the perfect macaroni salad and barbecue burger. You will go through step-by-step instructions that will ensure that you master the food items.
So you can see I've got video, and I did video on the intros, and on the actual steps I have the audio. And I have pop-up windows here for all these. But it will definitely guide you. Here's my second video that I created for the intro to the directions. And this takes forever sometimes, unfortunately. I hope that it works on your computer a lot better than it does on mine, but mine has everything to do with internet speed and the capabilities of my laptop. How embarrassing. Pardon that. Let's back out of this, and it looks like my internet's frozen up. Okay, I'm back. I'm waiting for this video to pop up here. At any moment. Seems I'm having some internet difficulties. Bear with me while I deal with that. As you can tell, I was able to get this thing back up and working. So, and it had everything. I had to change my color settings. It was causing it to freeze up. Anyway, so I can move back around now. So I'm in my closing. You saw that my videos work. It's the same thing on the closing. Well, this is my web page that I created for CECS 5110, and I hope you enjoy it. And if there's anything else you would like to know, you can always email me at ericjameson@yahoo.com. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions. Take you back to the home page. And I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.